SaaS companies are crashing out. $300 billion of value was wiped from the S&P Tuesday in the software and data stocks category. People are calling this the Claude crash. I don't know if I buy that, but on Monday, Anthropic, which has been on a bit of a heater, as we talked about, announced that they added a legal tool to Claude Cowork. If you don't know what Claude Cowork is called, this is different than the Claude bot that we talked about last week. This is essentially what Claude Code or a coding agent is. This is for knowledge workers to automate work and do multi-step. Instead of just asking a query to a large language model, it would do a number of actual actions on your behalf that you can automate and run as cron jobs, as regular jobs every day, every hour, every week, whatever it happens to be. This one specifically is kind of like a plugin that allows you to do tasks related to legal drafts and research. What that meant to, I guess, retail investors, and we'll get into this, Brad, since this is your specialty, is that a lot of legal tech startups and public companies were hit hard. Thomson Reuters down 20%. LexisNexis, which is a database of case law, was down 15%. LegalZoom, which gives legal advice and documents, down 15%. At the same time, SaaS has continued to be negatively impacted by this concept that software will be made bespoke in tools and be wiped out. Figma down 13%, Salesforce 11%, ServiceNow 11%, Adobe 8%. And even before Tuesday's drop, and you can get into this, Brad, software was already the worst performing S&P subsection for the year.
By the way, the numbers you report are dramatic understatement. We've wiped out trillions of dollars in market cap.